We're gonna start by taking our line and running it through the eyelet of our hook. Give yourselves about 6-8 inches, maybe even 10 inches of line. And then you're gonna pinch this together. All right, we're gonna hold it right there. You're gonna take your tag in. You're gonna loop it. So now your tag end's facing up. We're gonna take our tag in and run it down through this loop. We're gonna do it 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lighter line, you may want to do it more. This is 30-pound for reference. And then you're going to tighten it just ever so much, but not too tight. You're going to wet it. And then we're just going to pull our main line back to the eyelet. There you go. Cut your tag in, and you have the Uni Knot.